So my name is Ben. I'm with Sony Pro Support. So my job is working with professional creators that use our still and video cameras. Creative Space is a chance for all kinds of folks, creators, regular photographers to get their hands on our latest camera, the new A7V Mark V, as well as an array of lenses. You've got some shooting situations, you've got photo walks, you've got the whole display if you want to kind of see the different things hands-on, and there's some cool swag and different experiences too. But my favorite thing on this new camera is this brand new sensor. This has what we call a 33 megapixel partially stacked sensor, which means it's super fast. So really great high-speed AF, really great video with very low distortion. Awesome camera for that. Also, beyond that is the new autofocus. It's an improved version of our AI autofocus system. Really great at subject recognition, really tenacious on tracking. And then finally, it's speed. So on the still side, we're up to 30 frames per second on this camera. And on this video side, we're doing 4K up to 120 frames per second. So really fast all around, great image quality, and just a really big improvement over previous generations. Everything is faster, right? Everything is faster and more efficient. So the partially stacked sensor gives us that high speed burst. It gives us that high speed video. It gives us really great autofocus combined with a new processor inside. It's able to process that data coming off of it, and also gives us things like really great runtime on the video record time and improved battery life as well.
What kind of photographer would this camera be for?
It's a really great question. And I think really it finds a home in just about anybody's bag. And that's not just, the Sony person saying that. It's just such a well-rounded camera. You've got really great resolution at that 33 megapixel, awesome high ISO performance. So if you think about resolution, right, you got that landscape photographer, you got the portrait photographer, the high ISO, right, is great for the events photographer. It's really enhanced dynamic range compared to previous models. So again, we're circling back to that landscape photographer, right? But that 30 frames per second now, we're looking at sports, we're looking at wildlife, we're looking at, pretty much anybody. I mean, it's really a wide range with this camera. And that's the beauty of it, is that it's a very approachable camera. It's kind of slotted in that more entry level of our full frame range. But it's really, you could start as a beginner with it and pretty much grow your whole career with it. Absolutely.
All right, everybody, so I am here at the Sony event, and I have the A7V right here, and I have the 28-70 f2.0 lens. And guess who I have here? I have the beautiful model. Can you tell us what your name is?
My name is Elaine Wadsworth.
Awesome. So I'm going to post a link to her Instagram down below, so make sure you go ahead and follow her. And I'm going to test out this lens, taking photos of this beautiful model right here. All right. My first day at the job.
Love it. Mine too.
There you go. Yeah, I can tell. All right, let's see how this is. Oh, this is gorgeous. So like this, I like that with the shoulder up like that. Yeah, and the eyes at me, good. Right there. Beautiful. Ooh, gorgeous. I wish I had my flash and stuff. But so far, so good. Yeah, I know. Saucy. No. I like this. I like where you were touching your hands like that. That's beautiful right there. This is gorgeous right here. Good. Look right this way. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, just like that. Just like that. And now, when you're doing that, can you, yes, like this. This is good. Good. Chin, yeah, right there. Beautiful. I like this. And so, yeah. Oh, that's hot. Right there. Eyes at me, eyes at me. There we go, right there. Cool, I like this. Can you just put the hand back where it was? And then put this right across your waist? That's pretty. Cool, wow. I really like, this helps me out to understand this camera a lot more. I'm busy shooting lights and stuff. This is pretty. Can you give me something like open your legs up a little bit? Yeah, there you go. I like that. That's super pretty. Has anybody got? I didn't even know.
What do you want? Like,
Okay, yeah, let's come over here.
like roses?
No, right here.
Oh, just on the fence.
Yeah. We don't need to get you. Actually, I would have loved that, actually. Oh, this is, see, now we're talking. This is pretty. Wow. Oh, that's. Oh, yeah, that's gorgeous. See?
Oh,
See what I'm
that's
saying?
sweet.
Yeah, very nice.
That's stunning.
Super nice.
Stunning.
Man, I like that too. Yeah, like right here. Good. Yeah. Can I, no, put your hand back. Like right here. Yeah, that's cool. We could do that. Oh, that's pretty. Right there. Cool. Lean over there like this here. Oh, that's cool.
You want me on this or?
No, just how you are. Just right there. Oh, that's pretty. Don't move. A little smile. There we go. Right there. You're at a fair. Not here. No. I like this. Oh, no, this is, hold on. This is gold. That's pretty. Right there. That's pretty. Yeah. Hell yeah. That's pretty.
Oh, I love
Right?
it. Yes.
See?
Yes.
It's like we knew each other forever. Here, go like this.
Easy
Put your
peasy.
arm. Yeah, let's get something like. Yeah, that's pretty right there. That's pretty. Yeah, I like it when it's like that. I like the toes too. Now that I see that. Yeah, there. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Let me see if I can squeeze in. Pretty clean. Oh, right there. Beautiful. My God, you're natural.
Aw.
You're gonna go somewhere. You're gonna be a big star one day. No, no,
day.
you look beautiful. You're a star right now. It looks like the star is shining on you right there.
You're so sweet.
Hold on, let's try something unique. Let's try something unique. I'm gonna use this particular lens. Yeah. This. Okay, I don't think they'll care. I'm just gonna put this one in here because I want to try this lens out. Okay. Now this is a macro lens, meaning it can get really close. That's right. All right, just go like this for me. There you go. Cool. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's try. Damn. Okay. Okay.
It comes around this way.
It comes around this way. I think it's underneath it.
Oh, great.
Okay, let's try something. Come closer to me. I love everything you're doing though. I want to try this. Are you guys closing up shop already?
Yeah, well,
Copy that. Oh. Hold on.
You can keep shooting with this one.
Yeah, I just want to make sure my card's not in there.
Perfect.
Thank you much.
You're welcome. Thanks, Rob.
All right. Wow, look how let's see, how do I sit right there? Chin up just a hair. Holy cow. They say I need it to be in this one? Okay. Dang, this is really crazy. Right there? Right there. Wow. Okay, this is actually doing a better job than I expected. Hold on. Okay, let's see. What else can we get with this thing here? I know you've been working all day.
So you're good.
Oh, that's pretty. Hell yeah, that's nice. I like that.
Nice.
Dang, it's close. Yeah, oh man, I love these photos. Super pretty.
So pretty.
One of them might be the thumbnail to my